my son. There must be something in the water, 'cause every day it's getting colder. And if only I could hold
Hi guys, it's the 8th grade girl, Amaya Adair. How's your leaping? How's your turning? How's your pasta today? Today is Sister Saturday, as we all know. And our special sister today is Ashli! So, let's jump right into it.
Hi guys, we're back for another video. Today we're going to do a little crafting. And I'm going to be making a dress for Ariel's daughter, which is named Ariana. And yeah, so let's get to the video. Make sure it's the color that you want your dress to be. Wrap the part that you have just cut around the doll and see if it's long enough. If it's longer than it should be, you should go ahead and grab a marker or a pen and make the line to know where to cut. Then cut the line. Then put it back on her to see if it is long enough or is it still too long. Then if it's long enough, you want to prepare your needle and thread. So grab your needle, grab your thread, wrap the thread around the needle. Wrap it in a knot so that the thread will not come out when you put it through the fabric. Here comes the part with the sharp thing. Make sure that you don't poke yourself with the needle. Put it through the fabric until you get to the bottom. Make sure that you straighten it out once you put it through. Sewing the gray fabric. Sewing the gray fabric. Don't stop till you get to the end. Time for the scissors. You need to cut the thread so that no more thread will come out. Tie in a knot. A set tied in a knot. Tied in a knot. A set tied in a knot. Grab your clear nail polish and start spreading it along the white thread so that you won't have to mess up your dress. Just make it there so that your dress will stay together. That's why we have clear nail polish. Wiping the clear nail polish. Wiping the clear nail polish. Wiping the nail polish. Let that beautiful dress dry. I forgot. Make sure you flip over the dress. Turn it inside out. Let's put Ariana inside of her brand new dress. Dress. Ariana's new dress. She looks so cute in it. OMG.
Hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That 8th grade girl, Amaya Adair, out.